how to get Java on your Mac OS. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your web browser, and here you can search for Java JDK. It will find you the oracle.com Java downloads. You can open it, and here we want to scroll down and select the latest version and find the macOS version because we are on Mac. And if you have the M chip on your Mac, we want to get this version. And if you have the older Intel chip, you want to get this one. So check the Apple logo, and here you'll find the chip which is in the first line of that window. So I'm gonna download this version. Now open installed file, and here's the introduction. Simply click on continue. In destination select click continue. Here you can, in installation type, click on installed and type here your admin's name and password and wait until it's installed. And now it should be done. Now you can close this. We want to move this installation file to the trash. And if you want to check if the Java is installed on your Mac, open your terminal and type here this command, which is javac this thing and version, press enter. And here is the actual Java version installed on my Mac. So if I want to open some Java file, I can do it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.